Home, Stockbridge, Michigan, a small town focused on agriculture and robotics, a town where everyone knows each other. Stockbridge, Michigan is 75 miles away from the closest Great Lake, but a lake is a lot different than an ocean. Although Michigan is surrounded completely by water, we are 7,000 miles away from our sister sanctuary. The National Marine Sanctuary of American Samoa is the smallest yet most important marine sanctuary. What brings 13 high school students 7,000 miles away from home? Oceans. We are somehow connected through oceans. Whether it's the air we breathe or materials we need, we're all connected some way or another. The question is, how are we?
When I first joined the team 2 years ago, I had no idea that what we'd be doing would not only have such a big impact on my life, but such a big impact on other people's lives as well.
Over a 10-day period, we experienced more than we ever imagined. Our original idea of the trip was research. We planned on setting up a bottom fish study. Although we ran it and collected imagery of the fish, we realized that our trip was so much more. After going to the high schools and spreading our knowledge of ROVs and why we use them, we came to see that we all shared one common feature: our love for the oceans. When people asked us why we were traveling all the way to American Samoa, our main answer was outreach. We learned that we can all take care of the ocean, regardless of where we live. Our goal was to share our knowledge with the American Samoan students and to empower them with technology that can collect data on the health of the ocean that surrounds their beautiful island, and to make decisions based on that data collection. ROVs can be modified to collect any type of data they want.
This trip was really important to me because I really wanted our team to be able to spread our knowledge and give the students there some advice about how they can start their own ROV programs.
What do you come back to? What's your number one passion? What keeps you going? Set goals to make yourself happy, your family happy, and to follow your passion.
70% of our home is covered with oceans. Knowing what lies beneath is vital. It's important that we do what we can to learn more about what's below. Our way of doing so is through an ROV.